Come for my tourism Pathshala. It will transform your dream into reality. Good evening, my dear student. Today we are going to learn about IATA Traffic Conference Area. IATA's the full form is International Air Transport Association. The IATA is very important topic for our master degree student of tourism travel management, travel geography, UGC NET, tourism and travel management, and bachelor and master degree. The first of all, three things we will learn. We have to know. Number one, IATA's vision. Number two, we will learn the IATA's main activities. Number three, we will learn about IATA and World Geography division. IATA has been decided and IATA division based on Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere, and IATA Traffic Conference Area. So, step by step, we learn and discuss about IATA's important concept and division. Now, IATA is a commercial community of the most international airlines over the world. And IATA's vision, first of all, you have to understand what is the vision of IATA. IATA's vision is to save the future growth of safe, secure, and sustainable air transport by representing, leading, and serving airline industry. Number one. Number two, what are the IATA's important activities? IATA activities manages and solves the commercial matter of air transport, such as rate. Rate means fare construction, route, schedule, and many other commercial matters. Now, what are the link between IATA and World Geography? Okay. Geography is one of the key aspects in planning and pricing of travel. To avoid the confusion for regulation of air travel, IATA take the division by prime meridian into account which pass through London. The prime meridian is a very important. IATA takes the division by the prime meridian which pass through London and not equator, since that pass through the many countries, making difficult to plan the rules governing each other. So IATA follow PM or the prime meridian to save or to the division or to control the air travel and air management. Now we have to understand the IATA's division. IATA for is the better functioning and regulation has taken the Eastern Hemisphere and the Western Hemisphere. IATA functioning and regulation has taken from Eastern Hemisphere and the Western Hemisphere, and further divided into three IATA area known as IATA Traffic Conference Area. And Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere, and IATA Traffic Conference Area is a very important and significant as a geographical perspective or geographical sub-region. The three IATA Traffic Conference Area are denoted as TC1, TC2, and TC3, where TC1 is known as Western Hemisphere. As a student, you have to remember TC1 is considered as the Western Hemisphere, and TC2 and 3 together for the Eastern Hemisphere. In our UGC NET, they can ask the question. The TC1 is a very important information. TC1 is known as Western Hemisphere, and TC2 and 3 together form the Eastern Hemisphere. Now, next important issue, the IATA divided the world into traffic conference area. Why? Because IATA traffic conference were established to deal with international air traffic matters involving the passengers, cargo, mail in specific area of the world. Number one. Number two, IATA division help member airline sign agreement related to fare rules, traffic document, air ticket, baggage check and airway bill, and interline the inter-airline agreement. IATA areas and sub-area. Now the final thing, the IATA area and sub-area. IATA divided the world into three areas called IATA Traffic Conference Area, purpose of regulation. Each of the traffic conference area also divided into sub-area. IATA Traffic Conference and areas and sub-area are not the same as countries. It's a very important point. There are countries that are geographically located in one continent but are classified into another area for IATA fare construction purpose. IATA Traffic Conference areas and sub-areas are not the same as continent. There are countries that are geographically located in one continent but also classified into other area for IATA fare construction purpose. So these are the division. Number 1, Traffic Conference Area 1, Traffic Conference Area 2, America, North America and South America, Europe and Africa under the section of Traffic Conference Area 2. Number 3, Asia and Asia Pacific. So IATA Traffic Conference Area, the TC1, Traffic Conference Area 1 has been divided into various sub-area. The North America, South America, Central America, Adjunct Island, Greenland, Bermuda, West Indies, Caribbean Sea, Hawaii Island, which include the IATA Traffic Conference Area. The North America sub-area, Canada, Greenland, Mexico, USA, Saint Pierre. These all other countries are related on IATA Traffic Conference Area 1. IATA Traffic Conference Area 2, Mid-Atlantic sub-area, include all the Caribbean area, Barbados, Cuba, Dominic, Haiti, Jamaica. These all of the include the Caribbean area, Caribbean island. So we have to remember this area, mid-Atlantic or Caribbean island or sub-area. These are the important point. They can ask any question from this area. This is very important area. B is a Central America, Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras. These are the countries of the Central America. This is also IATA Traffic Conference Area 1. And sub-area 3, IATA Traffic and South America. All South American country under the section of the IATA Traffic Conference Area 2. Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Uruguay, Venezuela. These are all the South American countries. So what we have learned, the first of all, the North American countries, South American, Central American, Greenland, Bermuda, West Indies, Caribbean island. These all are under the section of IATA Traffic Conference Area TC1. Now we learn the IATA Traffic Conference Area 2. Under this section, Europe, Africa and part of Asia, West Ural Mountain including Iran and countries of Middle East under the section of IATA Traffic Conference Area 2. For European area, Europe and common aviation related state, Cyprus, Hungary, Iceland, Czech Republic, Latvia, Lithuania, Malta, Poland, Slovakia, United Kingdom. This all European common aviation area under section of IATA Traffic Conference Area 2. Next important part also, Economic and Monetary Union, Albania, Belgium, Finland, Germany, Greece, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Portugal, Romania, Slovenia, Spain, this Moldova. This all are the IATA Traffic Conference Area 2 sub-area 1. And IATA Traffic Conference Area 2 sub-area 2 with Africa, African countries, Central Africa and Scandinavian Scandinavian country, Denmark, Norway and Sweden. These three is a Scandinavian country, although also the section, the IATA Traffic Conference Area 2. And sub-area, Central Africa, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Eastern Africa, Djibouti, Kenya, Somalia, Tanzania, Uganda. These all are the IATA Traffic Conference Area 2. Southern Africa, Mozambique, South Africa. These all also the under the section of Traffic Conference Area 2. And Indian Ocean Island, in Mauritius, Seychelles. This also the IATA Traffic Conference Area 2. Western Africa, important country, Chad, Congo, Gambia, Ghana. This also the Nigeria, Mali, Libya, Togo. This also the under the section of the IATA Traffic Conference Area 2. And Middle East, Egypt, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, Syria, Syria Arab Republic, United Arab Emirates and Republic of Yemen, all the section of IATA Traffic Conference Area 2. Now we are going to observe the IATA Traffic Conference Area 3. Under this section, get the Ural Mountain. East of Ural Mountain, IATA Traffic Conference Area 2, we have observed the western part of Ural Mountain. East India, the East Indies, Australia, New Zealand and neighboring island. So IATA Traffic Conference Area 3, Southeast Asian sub-region, Cambodia, China's Taiwan, Hong Kong, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Laos. These are Myanmar, Mongolia. These are Philippines, Russia in Asia, east of Ural Mountain, Singapore, Thailand, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan. These all countries section of IATA Traffic Conference Area 3, sub-area, Southeast Asia sub-area. Next sub-area, South Asian subcontinent sub-area, Afghanistan, Maldives, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, India and Sri Lanka. India under the section of IATA Traffic Conference Area 3 and sub-area 2. Next, Japan, Korea and sub-area. These all the countries under the section of IATA Traffic Conference Area 3 and Southwest Pacific area. Southwest Pacific area, Fiji, America, Australia, this country, Papua New Guinea, New Zealand, Tonga. These all are under the section of IATA sub-area 3. So what we know about this section, we understand the important area and sub-area of IATA and IATA's area and sub-area, and IATA's world travel geography, its vision, its activity and its geography, important area and sub-area. These are the very important topic for UGC NEET and JRF student and tourism and travel management. It is also the important area, the world geography, travel geography, student of bachelor degree and master degree of tourism study. So keep touch, and for in my next class I will discuss another important area of travel geography. Thank you.